If you're looking for email leads, this is the best tool out there, all right? I'm going to show you just how in minutes you can have thousands of email leads from all different businesses using this tool with that link down below. So let's get straight in. So guys, open up your extension. It should be pinned at the top and type in your keywords, all right? So let's, for example, say plumber in and then the place you want to do, okay? This is how we're going to find the emails plus a lot of all different things. So then it's going to open up a tab. You're going to see it started for you, okay? When you open up the extension, you'll see it counting down. Now guys, you might think this might get you 2, 3, 4 leads, all right, in a couple of minutes. Watch, it's getting you hundreds. It's going to go over the 1,000 mark, all right? It usually does. This is what I call magnificent, all right? This tool can literally get you thousands. As you can see already, 1,195 on the left, we're at 1,367 on the right, all the way down. This would take you so long to do in a normal time. So what you want to do is download it, click export, download as CSV, okay? Once you've downloaded that as CSV, go over to your Google Files, drag it in there, okay? Drag it into a fresh file, and it's gonna start downloading. It'll take a couple of seconds. Once it's done that, you're gonna open it, either double click it or right click it. All right, simple as that. Once it's open, you want to open it with Google Drive. That's a very important part because it's got the best format for it. Once it's open with Google Drive, watch this. This is what you've just done. You've just got all of this information perfectly wrote out into a document for you. Guys, this is incredible, right? So guys, what I want you to do is just have a look at this. We're looking for emails, right? It does have a lot more, but we're looking for emails in particular. Let's scroll down and see exactly how many emails we got here. So as we scroll down, it's gonna count all the emails. Now, I'd probably say about 800, maybe 800. We'll find out. We're gonna scroll down and see how to find out, but how long would it have took you? How long would it have took you if you did this manually? Okay, because some businesses still are doing this manually. That's why you're going to be one step ahead. So guys, that's why I'm super excited about this tool, all right? You need to hit that link down below to get involved. It's a very good price, all right? Lead Sniper does not charge over the hill, and we actually have some of the best technology for tools like this. Okay, we have other tools as well, but for today, how many emails did we count in just the short amount of minutes that I was doing this video for you? Let's have a look. Okay, look at that. You still get all the phone numbers, every single thing on there, the URLs, everything that you need. So we have now just accumulated, and this would take people years, okay? We've just accumulated 1,111 emails in total. That's incredible. Now guys, how do you download this Google Search Scraper? Go over to leadsniper.com, product, and go to the Google Search Scraper. Scroll all the way down the new tab that is open, and it will show you exactly all the information of what it will extract. Okay, but to buy this, you need to go to the bottom, past the videos, past the sheets, all the way to where it says, which subscription would you like to choose? Now, with a lifetime access, a one-time payment of $149, you will get the extension for one installation on the starter pack. Okay, click buy now. If you want the popular pack, get the $267 one-time purchase, remember, for 5 installations. Now, guys, if you want to be fantastic like me, get the $389 pack because that gets you the best value out there, and you get 10 extensions in total, plus all the features that we spoke about. Simple as that. Just click buy now or scroll down to download the free version to try it out right there at the bottom. There you go, guys. That's it from me. What I want you to do is hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and the bell if you want to be notified. Use the link below to get this tool, and have a great day. I'll see you on the next video.